The blizzard didn't just bury our streets, it exposed a secret no one was supposed to find. When city inspectors arrived to assess storm damage, they weren't expecting resistance from the HOA. But the moment they stepped onto association land, everything changed. Snowplows cleared access to the community field, where floodwater had pooled unusually fast. Beneath melting ice, inspectors uncovered loose soil and freshly disturbed ground. The HOA president insisted it was routine landscaping. But the uneven foundation told another story, one that demanded deeper digging. As workers excavated further, they uncovered concealed drainage pipes rerouted away from select properties. The setup diverted storm water toward homes that had recently challenged HOA spending. Neighbors gathered in stunned silence while officials documented every detail. The blizzard had forced what no resident could: an official investigation. Financial records soon revealed funds allocated for flood prevention had vanished months earlier. The hidden pipes were proof of deliberate manipulation. Under public pressure and mounting evidence, the HOA board faced immediate suspension. What the storm uncovered reshaped the entire community, and accountability finally arrived.